Now, there is a variation in Genjang. Look, Genjang. This is called the crossed lock or subtiso. The crossed lock or subtiso. So, yeah, Genjang. Like that. Here, 1 to 2, and now from here. Now look at me. Cross. Now this is much. This lock is much worse than the other one. Remember the other one, Haksao? Remember this one? Yeah. This one, Fuksao lock, is easier for you to defend, to carry off, to get out. But this cross the arm lock is much worse because it's hard for you to get out. Now, because we do it like this, just like you're tingling something. Like a rope.
Oh, das ist unsere. Our doggies.
Once you go Genjang, when you turn aside, so you get rid of his Genjang. And now this one here, now it's very much like the second session, but this time just strangle, like a lock. You can work it out slowly, and then if you have problem, you ask me. Okay? You turn aside, you go like this. Now look at this hand. When this hand is here.
Der rechte greift auf den linken auf.
Das ist ganz leicht.
Jetzt muss ich so. Der linke muss hochschieben.